Then it goes on to say, lest we forget. Each year, on November 11th, or actually 11th of November, we remember those who sacrificed their lives for our freedoms from Flanders Field to Juno Beach. Many Canadians have bled and died fighting tyrannical nations. We need to remember past events to prevent the repetition of history's greatest mistakes. On the 30th of September, we had the opportunity to reflect on such times during the First Nations Day for Truth and Reconciliation. Under the direction of the Government of Canada, RCMP members were once issued lawful orders to remove children from their homes and transport them to residential schools. Canada is still recovering from the impact of those decisions and actions. The RCMP has yet to regain the trust of some citizens. That is true. I'm one of them. There was a time when scientists believed humans were divided into racial hierarchies and that a person's intelligence level and characteristics were determined by race. 15. These beliefs were not heavily contested and were widely accepted as scientific fact. 16. Phrenology was also widely accepted as being a legitimate scientific study. 17. These are not examples of science being wrong, but of people conducting poor investigations or misunderstanding their findings. These are just two of several historical examples of widely accepted scientific truths which become ridiculed practices. We look back at those times of racial hierarchy and wonder how something so wrong could have been so widely accepted as truth. It is just as hard for many people to conceptualize how RCMP officers could have blindly followed lawful orders that devastated so many lives. Yet now we find ourselves in a dangerous waters when RCMP officers are being forced under coercion and duress to participate in actions that they believe go against the spirit of Canadian laws.